Good morning. You found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife, and today I had the best surfing session I've had in a very long time. I wanted to just let everyone know that, if you're out there trying to surf and it's not going well, you're just fighting and fighting and it seems like you're not improving, just let you know that you're just almost there. So I gotta give thanks to all my subscribers out there, everybody that comments, the support that you give me to keep me going, just how thankful I am and how excited I am for this video that you're about to see. Enough of that mushy stuff. Let's get down to business and check out the clips of my surfing session. Nice first wave of the day. I like how I'm staying low here, keeping crouched down low, especially this one here. Got that angled takeoff, turn in on the wave. A little too much white water for me though. Again, I get a couple pumps there and I get nice and low. I like how I'm getting low down in that crouch. I really like that pump there. I think it was really effective. Let's check it out in slow motion. I think I definitely pick up some speed there. Here I like on my pop-up, I just get right up in that crouch. Carry it all the way through. Again here, staying in that crouch, dropping down on that wave that I caught up to. So here I'm grabbing that rail, pretending as if I'm going through a barrel. I get a nice long wave. Here again, a backside. Get that knee drop. Get a little turn. I'm working on trying to step on that back foot and get a big turn here. Try to do more carving turns than just trim turns. You gotta stay nice and low. Do a couple pumps. Okay, my pop-up there is just so smooth. Here I get a nice turn. Get a nice pump here. If only that wave was bigger, it'd been epic. Here, oh yeah, getting the head wet. And that's the session. I think what was so great about it was that a lot of things that I've been working on all seem to be coming together. Best of luck in your surfing progression. Remember, have fun and keep it real.